Hey traders, welcome to 𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄's weekly Forex forecast. First of all, thank you for your supportive comments and likes. We are so glad that you are benefiting from our videos. A lot of traders are asking us to show them our real account. Usually, we do not do that for one single reason. We don't want you to think that this is something easy to do. But this time, we have decided to show you one of our real accounts and how we made 81% profits in 6 months. Even though the market is very unstable at the moment. It's not showing off, it's showing you to take it as motivation. If we can do it, you can do it. We will inform you about our next course. Since we are getting a lot of queries about it, we will give you our Forex forecast and a Forex trading tip. In addition to that, we will show you some screenshots from our private group where we analyzed gold structure for our traders and how they have traded and made decent profits out of it. Also, how one of our traders forecasted the DAX fall using our techniques. He posted the chart on our group before the big fall happened. Regardless of why, structurally it was ready to fall. So we are going to cover a lot of things guys in this video. Watch it till the end. So as you can see here guys, it's real dollar account, alright? It's real account, dollar, 1/400 leverage, and it's track record verified. Now, regarding the growth, you can see the equity curve is going up and up all the way to the 81.2%. We have deposited 50K in this account, and this account we started on the 14th of October 2019, 6 months ago. Now, going back to the parameters, you can see the deposits, you can see drawdown, daily, monthly profits, you can see all this stuff, alright? If we go more down here guys, you can see we have deposited 50K on the 14th of October, and those are some of our previous trades. If we go more down, you can see this is 2019 and 2020 profits. For 2019, on October, we've made 9.3%, November, 10.8%, and December, we've made 12.2%. Now, this is for 2019. For 2020, February, as you can see, was the best month we had, for 18.87% profit. Now, for all guys who want to be a successful Forex trader and learn and master Forex trading and wave analysis, our next course will be starting on the 1st of June 2020. So you have a couple of months to get ready for it. All the details are on our website, www.𝐒𝐔𝐑𝐄.com. I will post a link for you in the description of this video. You can check all these details on our website. For more info guys, you can send us an email to course@𝐒𝐿Tradewaves.com. Let's get started. DXY for this one guys, market went down all the way from here to the 95 levels. And this wave, it was very sharp and very fast. This was our forecast. And if you remember, last week we said if you are in, take profits. The market pulled back up very sharp. What next? Next for the XY, we can see a corrective structure. This corrective structure, it will be slow and messy. And if market will continue to the upside very sharp again, we are not in the buy and we will not buy it. Let it go up without us. We can see a corrective structure here, messy one and slow one. If we see a perfect setup to the downside, we might go for the sell. For now, we will leave it and we will let the market unfold. And we hope all of you who trade the XY made good profits in this down wave. Euro dollar for this one guys, I know that a lot of you trade euro dollar and this was a 700 pips to the upside in only 2 weeks. For those who trade euro dollar, I hope that you made good profits in this upwave. This was a sharp upwave and we said last week, if you are in, take profits. The market pulled back down. This is normal because waves never go in a straight line. For this down wave guys, next we can see a corrective structure upwards. This is why we will monitor euro dollar and we will see how this wave will perform to decide what will be the next move. Also for this one, if market will be very fast and this will go more down, we will not sell it, let it go down without us. We are expecting a corrective structure upwards and all of you know our forecast from here. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any update. Pound dollar for this one, market went up 400 pips here. After this up wave, we were expecting a correction and then more up. Instead, the market went down and like I said, some of our traders, they are looking to sell this one. And this what happened. All of you who trade pound dollar and are in this buy from here, you must get out for break even or small loss. This should be your worst case scenario. What next after this down wave? We are expecting now also here a corrective structure upwards. If you are in a sell position, move your stops and manage your trade. Aussie dollar for this one, this what happened last Monday, right? You know what is this one? They moved the market more than 1,000 pips in some pairs. And this why if you trade without stop loss or if you trade without a plan, you might break your account. What happened here? The market went down, up and down again. We are not expecting this down wave, but we know we are not selling Aussie dollar and we will not sell it. We are looking for only buy setups. This means any buy opportunity we see, we will take. We are only looking to buy Aussie dollar. And this is the next wave. This is the next move. Remember, we are not a signal server, so do not jump in. We do not jump in. We wait, we monitor the market before we enter on our trades. When the structure is ready, you will see a big moves very soon. So if you are not ready to trade the big waves, you will not be able to make good profits out of them. Dollar yen for this one, you remember we said downside, it went down here, and then last week we said we'll be looking for our buy setups and the market went up. All of you trade dollar yen and are in a buy position, move your stops and manage your trade. We are expecting more upside here in this structure. If the market will go to the upside more, you must be in a good profits. This is what we can see next for dollar yen. We can see more upside. Check our website, it's www.wetradewaves.com. Fill up this form and we will send you 10 exclusive Forex trading tips and all the updates. Dollar CAD for this one, guys, all of you should remember this forecast from here to here. And at this level, we said, guys, if you are in a buy position, take profits because we will start to look for our sell setups. Market went up. We said we are looking for our sell setups and market last week gapped up and it continued to the upside. For this up wave, we are not in the buy and we will not buy it. We will look only for our sell setups. This doesn't mean that you should jump in here to sell this one. Now, for this one, guys, if it will go to the upside more, we will look for our sell setups again. This is the wave and this is the direction that we will look for. Downside, downwards. Now I have a message for you. In Forex trading, you have two styles of traders. Trend followers traders and traders who like to trade reversals. Usually, trend followers traders, they enter too late in the market without a good risk to reward. Those who trade reversals, usually they try to pick tops and bottoms. And this is also very risky. Once you understand wave analysis and structure, you will be able to trade both of them. This was the chart and we said from here we are expecting an up move and we are looking for buy setup for dollar CAD. And if you see here, the market went up all the way from here to here. And I want you to check one thing. Check the arrow, right? From here to here, the market just was following our arrow. So we are not shooting an arrow, we are reading the structure and the waves. And everything is here on our YouTube channel and on our TradingView account. New Zealand dollar for this one, also this what happened last Monday, you know what at this one? And the market went up and then sharp down. You know we are not selling this one and we will not sell it. Any new low for New Zealand dollar, it might be the last low in the structure. So structurally, this is ready to move up. Now it's all about time. What next for New Zealand dollar? We will be looking for our buy setups. This is a wave and this is the move we are looking for. Upside, up wave. This means any buy setup we see, we will go for it. And any sell setup we see, we will ignore it. So if market will continue to the downside, we will not sell it. Let it go to the downside without us. Gold for this one, guys, market went down exactly as forecasted. All of you know that we are only looking for our sell setups and market went down exactly as forecasted. Like I said, I will show you now what we posted in our group and how our traders made good profits out of it. Before that, if any one of you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment, because this will support the channel. This is what we posted in our group before the big fall happened. And like I said, and you can see from the beginning of this video, some of our traders are holding big position in this one. So all of you who trade gold and are in this sell, we hope that you made good profits. Let us know in the comment section. What next for this one? If you are in, you can take profits or move your stops, it's up to you. Next for this one, we can see a corrective structure upwards. So this means if we see a corrective structure going slowly and messy to the upside, we might be going down again. Now, internally, like I said, we can see upside. If we see a very good buy setup, we might go for the buy. I will repeat. If we see a very good buy setup, we might go for the buy setup. And then we will manage our trade. For now, we can see corrective structure to the upside. You can check our community tab here on our YouTube channel. We are posting charts, before and after, tips and traders feedbacks. Yes, all for this one, we are looking for a buy setup. Market went down. Like I always say, do not jump in. If you don't know how to trade, do not go for it. Now, this was going down because of coronavirus and political problems between Saudi Arabia and Russia. Regardless, structurally, this is ready to move up. This means any buy setup we see, we will go for it. Regardless of why, the next wave and the next move, it will be to the upside. This is what we can see. Now, can this move more to the downside? Yes, we can get more downside here. We can get correction and one more move down. If this will happen, we will not sell it, and this will be a great investment to the upside. Imagine, we've made 81% profits in 6 months. So in this one, let's say this will move corrective and then one more move down. And market will be back to the 28, 25 levels. And we invest in this one, regardless of the amount. Let's say we invest in this one. From 28 to 56, you will double your investment in very short time. It's not trading advice, guys. Trade your plan and trade your own rules. So it's not it can go up or it can go down. In all cases, we will look for buy setups only. Pound yen for this one, you know, from here we set downside and we updated you here and market went all the way down. Next for this one, we are expecting upside. This buy setup, it might not be ready. This is why this one, it might be going up correctively. If this will go up corrective, we will try to enter in a buy position and we will monitor this one. If this will move to the downside, we will not sell it. After this corrective structure, we might see a big down wave. For now, we can see a corrective structure upwards. Euro yen for this one, it's moving to the upside. If you are in, manage your trade. If you are not in, wait a corrective structure before you go for any buy setup. We can see more upside here in this structure. If we get a correction, more upside. This is what we can see for Euro yen. Euro pound for this one, you should remember this forecast, right? Market went up more than 750 pips. If you are in this buy, you can manage your trade now. And if you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We can see a corrective structure and more upside. So manage your trade, move your stops, and let the market unfold. You can receive our weekly Forex forecast directly to your email. But before that, you must sign up to this form and confirm your email address. Otherwise, we will not be able to send you the updates. Pound New Zealand, for this one, you know what happened last Monday, right? If anyone, guys, say to you that he made good profits in this upwave, run away. This upwave, it was basically in 10 to 15 minutes only. They moved the market 1,000 pips to the upside and then it went back down. Usually, when they need to move the market in a certain direction very sharp, they do this. You can backtest the charts and you will see it. So, what next for this one? Like we said, we will be looking for our sell setups. And this is a wave, this is a move I'm looking for. Downside, down wave. We will be looking for our sell setups to go for this one. And for those who are not watching till the end to see our Forex trading tips, you are missing a big part of our video. Try to watch this video till the end because time to time, we are including very important message during the video. So for Pound New Zealand, like I said, we will be looking for our sell setups. Dollars are for this one, we were expecting downside, the market went down and then it went back up very fast. This upwave, it was not expected and we were wrong in this forecast. Does this upwave change the structure? No. We will look again for our sell setups. The big wave and the big direction, it will be to the downside. This is what we can see and this is what we will trade. Downside, down wave for dollar ZAR. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any update. CAD yen, also if you remember this forecast from here, guys, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. From here we said we are looking for a big down wave. Market went all the way down and it gapped last week. So for all of you who were in this sell, you must have made good profits, guys, in this down wave. It was a big down wave for CAD yen. What happened after that? Market went up, and now we are expecting more downside. If the market will move to the downside from here, guys, you should know how to trade it. We will try to trade this down wave and then after that, we will look for our buy setups. The bigger wave and the bigger direction is towards the upside. This is what we can see and this is what we will trade. Upside, up wave for CAD yen. XPT, for this one guys, we said from here, we will be looking for a sell setup. And this was posted on our website. Market went down, and last week we said we are looking for more downside. Market went down again. All of you who trade XPT, we hope that you made good profits in this down wave. We posted this one guys on our community tab here on our YouTube channel. You can see this one here guys for XPT. We said looks down next week, and this was 2 weeks ago. So time to time, check our community tab as well. We are posting before and after, traders feedback, and tips. So like we said, XPT from here to here, it was a big down move and a big wave. What next for this one? If you are in, take profits and leave it. Also, we posted this one on our Telegram channel. Follow us on Telegram guys, because here also we posted this one. This was the forecast here. On our website, we updated you guys. And from here, it was our weekly Forex forecast. Market went all the way down. Follow us on Telegram. You can find the links in the description of this video. Pound CAD, we said we'll look for our sell setups. The market gapped here, made a new high, and then all the way down. This was a 1,000 pips to the downside, guys. If you trade Pound CAD and you are in this sell, you are making good profits now. We can see a correction and more downside. This down wave, if you are not in, do not trade it. Leave it and trade other pairs. We can see more downside here. If you are in, manage your stops, take profits, it's up to you. We can see more downside for this one. Aussie New Zealand, the structure is completed here. We posted this chart on our trading view. Also, follow us on our trading view. We are expecting next for Aussie New Zealand up wave. This is what we can see, and this is what we will trade. Do not jump in guys, market can go lower. If the market will move more downside, we will ignore this one and we will look for our buy setups only. If you want to learn and master Forex trading and wave analysis and know our strategies, our unique strategies, you know where you can find us. Next for Aussie New Zealand, we will be looking for a big up wave. Pound Swiss, for this one, also from here we said look for your sell setups. We are expecting a down wave. Market went down here. And last week we said we'll start to look for our buy setups. Market went more down. Also, this one was posted on our Telegram. You can see here, we posted this one here and we said Pound Swiss, look for your sell setups exactly from here. So coming back to the charts, from here we said look for your sell setups. Market went all the way down. What next for this one? We will start to look now for our buy setups. This up wave guys, it might be a corrective structure and then upside again. In all cases, we will try to find a buy setup to go for this up wave and we will manage our trade. Now, if we get a corrective structure here and then one more move down, we will not sell this one. In all cases, the next wave and the next trade that we will look for is upside. If it's sharp or fast, we will look for our buy setups. S&P 500 guys, also we updated you here and we said on our website, looks down next week. And this was 2 weeks ago. Market went down all the way from here to here. This was a big fall. You wanna see a proof? This is our community tab and this is what we posted 2 weeks ago. You can check this one, you can check this one. Go back here guys and click on this link to see what I'm talking about. We said here, Nasdaq looks down next week and SPX same as Nasdaq. And the market went down all the way to these levels. Now, DAX. DAX, for this one guys, regardless of why market is moving down, structurally, it was ready to fall. Why I am saying that and what is the proof? Here, one of our traders, he posted the chart before the big fall happened. And the good point basically, he's still in this trade. So he entered here and he's still in this trade. Amazing. Let me show you now the forecast and what he posted. This is the post guys. He posted this chart guys on the 23rd of February. And market went all the way down to these levels. This was basically 23rd of February. He entered here and the market gapped and all the way down to these levels. So, all of you who think that wave analysis is not working, it might not be working for you, but it's working perfectly for us. This time, our Forex trading tip will be a bit different. It will be a message for you, and I hope all of you are watching till the end to get it. Market is very unstable at the moment. Some of you might be making good profits, and some of you might be losing. Forex trading is a tough business. This is what we are saying on our website. To be a successful trader, you must learn first how to do it. We are not saying that you must take our course. We are saying that you must learn first before you risk any $1 in the market. You can learn alone, you can take courses online from other institutions. We respect everyone. With wave analysis, you can take advantage from rising markets and from falling markets. And this is the beauty of it. If you decide to join us, we will treat you as a member and not a number by giving you our 8 years of knowledge in 4 weeks. You know, we have our website where we are sharing our before and after, traders feedback, our community tab on YouTube, and we just showed you one of our real accounts today. And all of you know that we have our unique strategies. This is very important. For those who don't know how to trade correctly, try to stay away from the market at the moment and spend some time reading and learning. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and see all of you next week.